Hello students of Student 9. Once again I Sudhir Kumar in front of you with one more topic of new chapter, democracy. Right? Dear students, I think all of you have just seen the introduction video of political science which was just made for commonly for standard 8, 9 and 10. So I think everyone are just introduced what is the meaning of political science and how it is different from civics, right? So now dear students, we have to start a new chapter, democracy. Actually one of the chapter is just deleted from your syllabus. Last year we have just studied one chapter, democracy in contemporary world, but in this year this chapter has been just deleted from your syllabus. So your first chapter is democracy, right? In this chapter, with the example of few countries, right, you will just study and try to understand what is the meaning of democracy, what should be the ideal definition of democracy, why democracy is necessary, right? These are the different questions. After completion of this chapter you will be able to answer, right? So this is introduction video of this chapter. So a common definitions is just written on your whiteboard, right? So understanding very explanatory way we will see furtherly in next videos, but right now we will just begin with a simple definitions, right, which is written here. What is the simple definitions? Democracy is a form of government in which rulers are elected by the people, right? I think all of you have listened this definition many times. You have just studied from 4 to till now, right? 4 to standard 8, and I think it is not a new definition. I think all of you are introduced with this, right? So democracy is a form of government in which rulers are elected by the peoples. So but whenever you will see this definition, you will get few questions are just hidden here, right? As the rulers, right, elected the peoples and the government. There are four technical terms is written in this definition. So in this chapter we will just study about these things. Firstly, who the rulers, right? Obviously whatever any types of ruling or there is need of a rulers either in democratic ruling or in non-democratic ruling. Whatever you have just studied the French Revolution. In French Revolution you have just studied that the France was just ruled by Louis XVI. Means whenever we will talk about any government system, then there is a ruler, right? So it is important here that in any type of ruling system there is need of a ruler who will rule over the place, who will rule over the citizens or peoples of that location. Means rulers who can govern, who can rule, means who can provide a platform under which people will get benefit facilities for living a convenient life. Right? Now it depends on the nature of ruler, that how much facilities are just provided by them, how much independency, how much rights rights are just provided to the citizens. Right? This is the difference you will just distinguish in democratic and non-democratic ruling. Right? So the very most important thing for a ruling, that is the rulers. Right? Now the second term election, whenever we will see the definition, that it is written a form of government, right, a form of government in which rulers are elected. How elected? Rulers are elected means there is a system of election, free and fair election, where every peoples can contest as a rulers and people will just elect them. Means the common peoples have the rights, they can choose their representative, and for choosing there is a free and fair system of election. Right? So election means the method through which the rulers can elected. Right? So for, if we talk about democracy, then which type of election? Obviously an election where people can enjoy, people can choose their representative as their desire, or the contest, or the people who wanted to contest independently can participate in election. Right? Now third term, the form of government. Obviously types of government: monarchical government, non-monarchical government, aristocratic government, right, democratic government, military government. These are different types of government. Whenever we will talk about the modern time or the earlier time, everywhere when people just started to live in group, there was a government system. Whatever in a group, one person will be made their chief or as sardar or kabila head, and he just governed. राइट? तो किसी भी टाइम की अगर हम बात करें तो किसी भी टाइम में किसी प्लेस पर एक गवर्नमेंट जरूर होती है. ठीक है? एक फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट हो, गवर्नमेंट जरूर होती है, चाहे किस तरह का भी गवर्नमेंट हो. हम एक कंट्री की ही बात ना करें, हम अगर आज से मॉडर्न टाइम से पहले की टाइम की भी बात करें तो उस टाइम में भी जब कम्युनिटी में लोग पीपल्स रहना, ग्रुप में रहना स्टार्ट भी किए थे, तो ग्रुप का एक हेड होता था, और उस ग्रुप को का जो हेड होता था वही जो है एक तरह से गवर्नमेंट के रूप में वो काम करता था. वो अपने कबीले के लिए, अपने ग्रुप के लिए, अपने कम्युनिटी के लिए एक सिस्टम डिजाइन करता था, जिस सिस्टम को सभी लोगों को फॉलो करना होता था, जिससे कि सारे फॉलोअर्स, सारे सिटीजन्स, सारे पीपल्स एक कन्वीनियंट और कंफर्टेबल लाइफ जी सके, जहां पर उनकी मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल हो सके. राइट? सो डेमोक्रेसी इज व्हाट? इट्स अ टाइप ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, a types of government. Right? Now the fourth and very important component of this definition is the people. Right? Who the peoples? Who will be governed, who can elect, who will contest. देखा जाए तो डेमोक्रेसी में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट जो होता है, या किसी भी गवर्नमेंट सिस्टम में, किसी भी रूलिंग सिस्टम की अगर बात करें तो फॉर एनी रूलिंग सिस्टम द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट इज पीपल, बिकॉज फॉर द पीपल देयर इज नीड ऑफ रूलिंग सिस्टम. In ruling system, who will be contested? रूलर्स कौन होगा? पीपल्स में से कोई होगा। उस रूलर को चूज कौन करेगा? तो पीपल में से होगा। तो डेमोक्रेसी, अब हम लोग इस पूरी तरह से इस डेफिनेशंस को हम देखें तो हम पाएंगे कि डेमोक्रेसी क्या होता है। तो डेमोक्रेसी ऐसे प्रकार का गवर्नमेंट होता है जिसमें गवर्नमेंट को जनता के द्वारा चुना जाता है। If the government is elected by the common peoples, means in the government the representative of the peoples just existed, such type of a system is just called, such type of a system of government is called democracy, right? So democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by common people, right? I think it is clear to everyone the definition, common definitions of democracy, right? Now we will see that how this word comes from. Democracy words कहाँ से आया? ठीक है, तो whenever you will see this word democracy, this words just made from two parts, demos and kratos, right? Demos means common people and kratos means strength. Means democracy means the strength of common people. डेमोक्रेसी का मतलब क्या हुआ? स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ कॉमन पीपल, मतलब सामान्य जनता की ताकत। मतलब डेमोक्रेसी एक ऐसी प्रकार की सरकार है जो कि सामान्य जनताओं की ताकत है, जहां पर जनताओं, जिस सरकार में सामान्य जनता की ताकत निहित हो, राइट? इस प्रकार की गवर्नमेंट को डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट कहते हैं और डेमोक्रेसी कहते हैं, राइट? अब बताइए डेमोक्रेसी वर्ड्स कहां से आया? तो डेमोक्रेसी वर्ड सबसे पहले अगर देखा जाए तो एंशिएंट ग्रीक में, ठीक है, ये फिलोसफिकल और पॉलिटिकल टर्म के रूप में यूज हुआ था एथेंस में। एथेंस की रूलिंग में कहा जाता, बहुत पहले ग्रीक सिविलाइजेशन के टाइम में वहां पर कैसी रूलिंग सिस्टम थी? डेमोक्रेटिक रूलिंग सिस्टम थी, ठीक है, एथेंस में। ठीक है, तो ये डेमोक्रेसी आज देखा जाए तो व्हाटएवर और अबाउट टू 85% कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड वेयर देयर इज द टाइप ऑफ रूलिंग इज द डेमोक्रेटिकल रूलिंग सिस्टम, राइट? दुनिया के लगभग 85% कंट्रीज ऐसे हैं जहां पर डेमोक्रेटिकल सिस्टम है रूलिंग का, और बहुत सारे कंट्रीज ऐसे हैं जहां पर कि स्ट्रगल हो रहा है। तो आज पूरी दुनिया इस सिस्टम को अपने यहाँ इंप्लीमेंट किए हुए है या इसके लिए स्ट्रगल कर रही है। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब है कि इस सिस्टम में और तरह के जितने भी रूलिंग सिस्टम है उससे ये जरूर बेटर है, राइट? आज के टाइम में अगर देखा जाए, नो डाउट, अगर हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि डेमोक्रेसी में किसी भी तरह की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स वी विल जस्ट स्टडी इन स्टैंडर्ड 9 जस्ट एग्जिस्टेड इन डेमोक्रेटिकल सिस्टम। लेकिन whenever we just compare this form of government to other forms of government, then we will find whatever the mistakes or the problems just existed in this type of ruling, compared to this in other forms of government, there is much more problems compared to it. And whatever the existing problem in this form of government can be eliminated, can be reduced, can be decreased very comfortably and easily, right? So dear students, democracy is a form of government in which the rulers is just elected by the common people. हम लोग आगे की वीडियोज में एक एक करके क्या क्या सर्कमस्टांसेज होनी चाहिए एंड व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट फीचर्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, वन बाय वन करके हम लोग स्टडी करेंगे। और फिर उसके बाद इस वीडियो के 4 वीडियो के बाद हम लोग एक वीडियो ऐसा बनाएंगे जिसमें डेमोक्रेसी के सारे फीचर्स को कंक्लूड करके एक कॉमन डेफिनेशंस पर हम लोग विचार करेंगे। एंड फर्दरली वी विल सी इन दिस चैप्टर द लेटर मोर एक्सटेंड, राइट? सो वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो विथ 1 features of democracy. Thank you. Have a nice day.